Let's learn about animals. Hello friends. Today, we're going to learn about different kinds of animals. Are you ready for this amazing journey? Let's go. Meet the lion. Known as the king of the jungle. Lions are powerful animals, with mighty roars. They live in groups called prides. Meet the tallest animal on earth. The giraffe. With their long necks, they can easily reach the highest leaves in the trees. Tigers are strong, fierce, and the largest members of the cat family. The majestic tiger is well known for its stunning orange fur and unique black stripes. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Known for their strong trunks and large ears. They are intelligent animals, with incredible memories. Monkeys are playful and curious animals, famous for their acrobatic skills in trees. They are social creatures that enjoy living in groups and playing together. Deer are graceful animals, known for their beautiful antlers and swift movements. They are social creatures that live in family groups, munching on grass and leaves. Zebras are fascinating animals, famous for their bold black and white stripes. They are social creatures that live in herds, grazing on grass and running swiftly. Pandas are cute animals, known for their black and white fur. They love to eat bamboo, and spend most of their day munching and resting. Bears are big and powerful animals, known for their thick fur and strong claws. They love to explore forests, and enjoy eating berries, fish and honey. Wolves are clever animals, that live in family groups called packs, and hunt together. They use howls and growls to communicate with each other, and are skilled at finding food. Thanks for exploring the animal kingdom with us. Each animal has its own amazing qualities, which makes it special. Stay curious and keep learning about the incredible animals in our world.